Hi, I would like to discuss the impact of RGOT 2011 ICT solutions for Golden Telangana and eSwachh Bharat with quality of national digital life. Abstract. The online organization JTHJack.com was created a cybercrime in the period of 2011 to 2014. This culprit organization is created fake government of Telangana in the same period. This organization enclosed fake, false information. The cyber criminal organization turned the student community to cyber criminal community in the JNH University by making of 2,500 members registrations. The fake information propagated in JNH environment. There is no cybercrime in offline banners, only it contains the website name and phone number details. Here two culprit organizations are JNH Jack and fake government of Telangana. The digital society is progressive and knowledge based that is formed as a result of the implementation and incorporation of ICT at home and learning places. Generally, people to avail various services being provided by the central and state governments, etc. Pay their bills, example, pay their bills, payments and taxes, send letters electronically and access important information and register land property vehicle, state employment exchange, register in domain, register gov.in domain through and online in digital society. The usage of ICT as a solution for cybercrime issues. National life means living a life that shows one's belongings to the nation. Introduction. In our research, we find out forged and cyber criminal government of Telangana created by JNH Jack organization in the period 2011 to 2014 in JNH University. The FCGOT government contains four crimes. One is it violated the state emblem of India Prohibition Improper Use Act 2005. Number two, online cheating and online sedition law violation. Number 3, identity theft under section 66C IT Act 2008. Number 4, cheating the nation. Nearly 2000 registrations are made in this culprit organization. Here two cyber criminal organizations are JNTH Jack and CSGOT. So it is a big data crime. The JNTH academic environment is damaged through this cyber criminal organization. The author identified the cybercrime in online, but the cybercrime is not available in offline. That is flexi banners which contains only phone numbers and website information placed other locations in JNTU campus. The author given complaints and applied RTA letters to university authorities. The author increasing the quality of RTA and showing the pathway, that is a Road to Information Act. For this they did not responded properly. With the help of Wayback Mission, that is web crawler tool, gathered some valuable snapshots related to online cybercrime. Based on these evidences, we filed FIR in 2014. 2018 Government of Telangana, nearly we sent 94 RTA letters to the different authorities. We are giving the awareness through PGF forum. In this research papers, videos are available. The author intention and goal is making a cyber criminal free environment in the higher education universities. Quality of national digital life is important. National consciousness, national integrity, national solidarity, national amity, national responsibility are our main objectives. These are very essential things among the students and faculties in the higher education universities. Related work, history of research work. In 2011-14, approximately cyber criminal and fake government of Telangana is created by JNTH Jack, which is illegal organization in the JNTUH University. The cybercrime is identified in the website name is jnthjack.com. In this misused Indian emblem, created fake government of Telangana, which is serious crime and having identity theft. In this culprit organization, about 2000 students registered. In this website, graduates, postgraduates, research scholars are there. In our university, the local, non-local, other states and foreign students are there. Informed society. The kind of cyber criminal academic environment is hazard to higher education system and as well as to the state and the nation. It is forming ill-informed society. there may be a chance to increase the cybercrimes in the university. The students are going to wrong track by this criminal organization. Up to now, the authors filed two FIRs. The case under process in Cyberabad Police Station, Gachibowli, Hyderabad. According to the first FIR, charge sheet is filed and received the judgment from the court, which was supported to our research work. But the Kukatpalli police failure to provide evidences to court. They were failure in their duties and responsibilities. In this cybercrime, main culprit persons are A1, Sadagonda Karunakar Reddy, arrested by the police and released, and A2, Madhusoodan Rao, absconding till now. The first accused person returned the confessional statement by his own in front of the police. The second FIR was filed in 2018 in Cyberabad Cybercrime Police Station according to the sedition violation. This is the a screenshot of cybercriminal website from Vivek Mission, that is web crawler tool snapshot. JNTH Jug, a criminal website. Approximately October 2018, the cybercriminal government of Telangana is changed the website as shown below. But in this updated website, they removed the Indian emblem. Their cybercrime is there at background position. So this is the new website of cyber criminal organization. A cyber criminal government of Telangana with a new website, a wolf in sheep's clothing. And the JNTH JAC objectives and activities are shown below, how they achieve these achievements with cybercrime background. So these are the goals and objectives of the culprit website. And this is the culprit JNTH JAC with the JNTH University Authority. So how the university people and the JNTH JAC culprit website collidely doing the cybercrime in the JNTH University. And this is the fake government of Telangana, perhaps cheating original government of Telangana. So in Pragati Nivedana Sabha, in this, the JNTH JAC founder, Mr. Karunakar Reddy, has supported the original government of Telangana in Pragati Nivedana Sabha. 360 degrees cybercrime perceptive. With offline and online forensic evidences, the real conviction will happen. The Kukatpalli police and JNTH authority are completely careless. They are not provided proper evidences to court. 0 degree cybercrime perspective. The other goal is to make a perishable society and well-formed society with cybercriminal free society, and to make Swachh Digital national life of society in each individual student in higher education university. We need to prepare Swachh Digital India, that is called True Information India. In this nation, there is no chance of cybercrimes based on the significance of the truth. So this is the screenshot of the student JNTH JAC of JNTH is going to participate in TRS party meeting. And then fake government of Telangana with 8 ways of dimensions. Fake government of Telangana, rogue government of Telangana, seditious government of Telangana, criminal government of Telangana, and illegal and immoral government of Telangana, dark government of Telangana, culprit and fraud government of Telangana, cyber criminal and seditious government of Telangana. These governments are damaging the significance of abusive national digital life. And then comparisons eSwachh Bharat and without eSwachh Bharat. So eSwachh Bharat qualities, without eSwachh Bharat qualities. So we represent the table format, that is Swachh Bharat. We will form well-informed society. It can control and reduce cybercrimes in the society. The well-informed society is reduced the cybercrimes and will give the solutions to ill-informed society. ICT solutions to make Swachh Bharat. So authors Google People's Governance Forum. With the help of ICT, we developed a People's Governance Forum webpage. This webpage contains research papers, research videos, and lectures are available. We are giving the awareness to society. We are using the social media like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Google Plus, and SoundCloud, etc. We are bringing the awareness about their higher education crimes. The positive psychology, positive attitude, and strong national feelings towards the nation are required to control the cyber crimes. Then conclusions. We need to build Swachh Digital Society for the nation. Swachh Digital Life is nothing but true life. We need to share genuine information into internet. To prevent the cybercrimes, positive national psychology is very important. Improve the quality of national life is required. Our main objectives are national solidarity, national amity, national integrity, and national consciousness. The author used ICT with the help of People's Governance Forum, which contains all the research papers relevant to cybercrimes. We are giving awareness about higher education cybercrimes through help of social media like Google, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, etc. The recent batch 2017 pass out MTech students got the awareness of positive psychology and national consciousness, national integrity, national amity, national integration towards the faculty and the students community in the JNTH University. The Telangana government and police needs to prohibit this kind of maladaptive organizations in the JNTH. Future scope. We are giving good path, that is Road to Information Technology to the Right to Information Technology 2005. Right to Information Act 2005. Vision. Hyper reality. So thank you.